Hello, and welcome to this lesson on Chopin's Sostenuto in E flat by Liberty Park Music. So there's two main concepts to this piece. Number one is the melody, and number two is the accompaniment. This is really the main concepts of all music. But in this case, it's a little more obvious. And the way that we approach it is a very specific way. The right hand, before measure 16, has the melody, and then measure 17 on has the melody in the left hand. It's a great practice, it's a great idea to practice the right hand without the pedal. And this way we can really get everything smooth, connected, really understand the melodic content of the melody and really figure out how to slur. You know, slurring is very personal, but slurring, there's still specific ways to slur, so, especially in the Romantic era. So I'm going to play the right hand a little bit without the pedal so you can get an idea of how it sounds. And this is very melodic. And you want to imagine that you're singing this. And it's great practice to actually sing it. You can sing along if you're playing, you can sing the solfege, you can sing the numbers, you can sing la la la. Something to help you physically feel, besides playing of course, but even more internalizing, feel that melody. This is really the only way to really get a great understanding of it, in my personal opinion. You see, it's from the heart. It's from the heart, you know. Really, music comes, especially a piece like this. It's really self-expression. So the way that you play today might not be the way that you play tomorrow, and that's good, you know, really. Okay. The left hand, the second concept, the accompaniment, which becomes the right hand in measure 17 and on. Don't overthink it. Just be very simple about it, and it's just a strong, weak, strong, weak. Don't forget these rests.